Alright guys, welcome. So I'm going to talk about Toast, and Toast is actually a company that I've covered before, done a very successful trade on it, could have even held it longer than when I had swing traded and sold it and would have made even more money, so I did leave money on the table, but it's gotten back to where I believe that we are very close to what I think is the near bottom for the company, and I think that we do have a possibility to go for second round upwards. With that being said though, that was just the beginning of me giving you an introduction. I think you should stick around and watch the video. It'll be real quick, it won't take long, and then make up your mind based on what I'm going to say, because maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right, I don't know, you'll let me know. So a screenshot from my Discord. So this is back on April 6, 2023, and I had said then this year on April that I'm picking up shares of Toast at current price of $16.31. That was a great price. I told them that this company is one of my top favorite stocks, and later actually on April 11, 2023, I told them that I sold 80% of my shares at $17.77 and that I would keep the rest for next year. When I do sell though, guys, I always let you guys know before I sell, right? And the same thing for a buy. I will let you guys know in my Discord before I buy something, and I will let you know when I will sell something. Eventually, I changed my mind and I sold the rest of my shares at $20.61. Now remember, we bought those shares at $16 and I pretty much sold everything at 17 plus near 18 and the rest at 20. In fact, it was actually smart. It actually went up until 24. Today it opened pre-market, and regular trading hours at 17.95. Now, before I continue any further, Bull Market Watch is my Discord. If you want to join it, the link will be in the comment section below, in the description, or in the front homepage of the video of the channel. or in the about section of the YouTube channel. The numbers you're seeing right here is 257 stock picks that I had called out ahead of time in my Discord for my Discord members, and those 257 have already been sold profitable. 45 open positions, only 9 for a loss. I think that's awesome. Besides seeing what I buy and sell, you have access to amazing other tools that I provide to my members that are really powerful, trust me, like dark pool and a lot more. All right, so Toast, TOST is now at 1842. All right, but it actually opened today. All right, the exact amount that it opened today was 1772. 1772. I actually had gotten an alarm about it, which is why I remember not to do a video about it, because I had set an alarm that if it hit 1795 to remind me. Well, it went 1772 in the beginning of this market, so I could have gotten in right away, and guess what? I'd be up right now at 1842. I did not get in right away because I used my money on Friday to buy another stock that I called out on my Discord, but that's okay. So 1842 is not bad. I mean, and you know what? With the Fed rate hike most likely coming in November, we could still wait, to be honest, and we'll see Toast probably, I'm guessing. We might see it go to 18 bucks. We might see it retesting that 1772 by November, right? So no rush. It's okay, no rush. Market cap at $9.8 billion. The 52-week range goes from a low of 1577 and a high of 27. And right now it's at 1842. Most likely we'll retest that 1772 you're seeing here by the time the Fed in November most likely raises the rates again by 0.25 basis points. And yeah, so it seems to be that the company's bottom is around there, 17, 16, 15 the most. So we're pretty much very near the bottom. And this is a really good company, guys. Of course, it has its negatives, and it is a growth company. It is a growth tech stock story. In 2022, total revenue was $2.73 billion, an increase of 60% compared to the previous year. And the losses were $275 million, which was negative 45% less than 2021. So they did grow revenue, and they did lessen their losses. That's a good thing. Now, today, it took a hit and went down to 1772. Because an analyst that you see right here, they gave it a neutral instead of a buy rating. I think the neutral rating isn't for the reasons that they stated. I think it's pretty dumb. I think it's for the obvious reasons, the Fed rate hike coming. But they don't state that. They say some other bull, in my opinion. Bull Market Watch is my Discord. That's not bull. But so Mizuho warned that the rise of GLP-1 drugs such as Ozempic for type 2 diabetes and weight loss could lower restaurant spending. You know, that's dumb in my opinion. There's been countless of weight loss drugs, weight loss strategies, weight loss diets, weight loss this and that for decades and decades and decades. Nothing stopped, nothing slowed down restaurant spending. What's going to slow down restaurant spending is increased rate hikes, economic slowdown, all that stuff. Fine, say that. Don't tell me that, that's dumb. Dumb, in my opinion. Analyst Dan Dolev and team called out the gross. The other reason they gave was that they called out the gross processing volume per location for TOST is slowing faster than restaurant inflation. Okay, yep, okay, that's fine. But the weight loss thing is stupid. All right, next, income statement, guys. The revenue for the company every single year is growing. Amazing, powerful revenue growth. So that's really awesome. But in July, we had some negative things going on with TOST, and that was that insiders were selling, and you can see here the amount of securities sold and so on. So there was over a month plus of securities being sold, and you can see that on the chart also. If you look the past 1 month, past 2 months of the stock, it is going down. But that's a blessing, guys. I'm not afraid of it. That's actually a blessing. I'm very happy. They did post strong Q2 results. The stock that had seen the stock soar back then when the Q2 results came out. What were those Q2 results and why were they good and why I think the company is great and will just rebound again? For the quarter, the company had grown 45% to $978 million, which easily topped the analyst estimates for revenue of $944. Subscription revenue jumped 59% to $121 million, while hardware revenue climbed 37% to $41 million. New locations, guys, since 2022, since second quarter of 2022 until the second quarter of 2023, new location adds accelerated to a quarterly record. The analysts are giving it a low of 16, which is basically what I'm saying. TOST, what's its low? 15, 16, around there, $17. That's the low for the company for within the next 12 months. That's the low that I see. Other than that, it'll bounce back to 2024. They give it an average of 24 and a high of 31. So with that being said, TOST Incorporation, TOST is the ticker symbol. Great company in my opinion. I'm ready to get back in and go for round 2 of making profits with this company. But I will wait for the Fed guys to possibly give another Fed rate hike. And hopefully, I am hoping that TOST will drop to 1790 minimum or less. That would be great. And then I'm in. That's it. I'm in, and I'll be very happy. So yeah, so I'm giving you guys an insight sometimes on how I trade. I do revisit old trades when I see that if I like the company still, and I see that the company fell for reasons that weren't really serious in my opinion. So that's that. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. I wish you guys all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.